All right, here's Oliver and his HO model train setup. HO scale, Union Pacific train. Go forward, buddy. Go the other way. Here it comes. Slow it down so everybody can see it. Union Pacific model train, HO scale. Pretty cool, huh? Got all the zoo animals, wild animals over there. Yeah. Going around the track when we're in Little People World. Got a camper set up in his farm with a chicken on the roof. Chicken, 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 chicken. Got a little tractor. Oliver's making the chicken noise over there. Here's our HO scale train. It goes really fast too. We can turn it way up so everybody can see how fast it goes. There it goes. Whoa! We almost fell off the track there. We better slow down. Whoa! All right, let's park it. All done. See everybody later. Say bye, Oliver.